We mentioned that we're only allowed to take religious issues from the early 3 generations. What about traumatic childhood experiences that someone might have experienced? Is it permissible to seek psychological help from modern day articles or modern day professionals?
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه والتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين أما بعد. In response to that question, these sciences, psychology and the problems that people have, these disorders, mental health issues, whatnot, لا شك you go to specialists. Allah commanded us in the Quran when He said subhanahu wa ta'ala, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. Ask those who know if you don't know. And this is anybody who knows a matter, you go to them and you ask them. We were instructed by the Quran to do so. So you ask the Khabir, Ar-Rahmanu فَاسْأَلْ بِهِ خَبِيرًا. Ask the one who knows, the expertise. Ask them about their knowledge. You see, our religion, it gave us comprehensive principles. And under those comprehensive principles, rulings come from it. But it doesn't talk about everything individually.
Okay.
So you go to these expertise, these professionals, you ask them for their view on an issue or their knowledge of it. And if it goes against the Quran and the Sunnah, you consult the scholars.
If it goes against the Quran and the Sunnah?
If they tell you to do things that which are not permissible in the religion,
right,
then you convey that to the scholars and you tell them about it. And whatever they tell you, inshallah ta'ala, based on the evidences from the Quran and the Sunnah, you follow, inshallah ta'ala.